morning, guys. Today is Saturday and we are just, you know, taking along for the weekend. Actually, I meant to film yesterday. I started to film yesterday and then my day just kind of ended up not going how I had planned. It was a good day, but it just was a little weird to film because I don't know. Sometimes when I feel like I'm filming, I need to have things more planned, not planned out, but like there was a lot of stuff yesterday that I didn't want to film or couldn't film, if that makes sense. So yeah, I just scrapped it. I started to film and then I scrapped it. Yesterday was my friend's birthday. I went and surprised her with a balloon and a card and the mug that I made her that I showed in the last vlog. So that was really fun. And then while I was there, we ended up getting our nails done, our toenails done. And so it was just kind of like a fun girls' afternoon, which I wasn't planning on, which is why I just kind of scrapped the vlog, because by the time I got home from all that, it was just, you know, it is what it is. So anyway, I don't regret that, but this was supposed to be like a Friday, Saturday vlog, and now it's just gonna be a Saturday vlog because tomorrow is gonna be our Sunday reset, which is happening this week. I'm gonna make sure it happens. So anyway, all that to say, we are sharing the weekend with you guys. Today is Saturday. James is out in the yard, like working on some yard stuff, which I'll show you guys in a minute. And I am gonna take down the Christmas stuff finally. That is what we were doing today. And then later today, we have our nephew's birthday party. So I'm actually planning on making him a shirt. So I'm gonna try to sublimate shirts today and show you guys that. So fingers crossed that works, as well as mugs have been working. So I'm gonna do that, and I have one sticker order I want to get done today so that way I can get out. And yeah, it's just kind of like a working Saturday, which we normally don't do a lot of work on Saturdays, but just things, we just need to get caught up on things that we couldn't get to or just put off, because we've really put off putting Christmas away. Well, technically we didn't, because I wanted to keep it up for the month of January, but last weekend I wanted to take it down and it just didn't happen. So that is what we're doing. I'm gonna take you guys outside and show you the progress. James has made, he's been working outside all morning, and then we're gonna clean up the Christmas stuff. So he's over there chopping something down. I don't know if I have ever shown you guys this side of things, but there used to be like these random bushes. Obviously they're like right there if you can see them. And I hated them because at night Dixie will go over here and I can't see her, and I don't like that I can't see her because the bushes are blocking it. And they were just random. They were different types of bushes. Like, it just didn't look like there was any sort of plan going on here. So, you know, we've got some ideas for over here, but I just have been wanting that to go away for, well, basically since we bought the house, and we're just now getting to it, but that's okay. So anyway, James is working on that. He was gonna cut up this tree that fell. This tree fell like almost a month ago. We had like a really bad, not a really bad winter storm, but we had a winter storm and the tree just fell down. It also messed up our fence, so we've got to fix that. But he was gonna chop it up today, but his chainsaw needs more oil or something, so he's just trying to like clear a path where we can get to the shed and put all this stuff away. So that's what's going on out here. Anything you want to add? No. All right. Really. So he's gonna take care of that, and I'm gonna go put Christmas stuff away. All right, so I just went and pulled everything out of that back room, and then I got 2 bins out of the shed. I feel a little out of breath now. So yeah, I am a little stressed on how all this is gonna fit in the shed. I feel like we need a bigger shed or a second shed or a bigger house. I don't know, but it's fine. I mean, if I have to store it in my back room, it's not the end of the world. I just would like to clear out that room, but we're gonna need to like get rid of some stuff. I don't know where, but we're gonna have to do something because we're running out of space. right, guys, Christmas is no more. I do need to vacuum and just kind of clean up a little bit. But right now I'm working on t-shirts. So this is my first attempt and it didn't line up. I didn't get it lined up perfectly. I just wanted to see the process. So I was like, whatever. But, so this is the shirt that I'm gonna, not this one, but I'm gonna do for our nephew. And I bought a smaller shirt for him, obviously, because he's a lot smaller. So this is the shirt that I am going to do for our nephew. And I'm going to line it up better and everything. I just wanted to, like, see the process since I've only done it with mugs. I wanted to make sure I knew what I was doing with t-shirts. So I had bought some practice t-shirts, so that's that. I don't know how I feel about t-shirts because I feel like maybe I need a bigger, like, sublimation paper, or I just need to figure out how to do that to where, like, because I feel like that's such a big shirt but like such a small print on it. Like, I know it'll look better on a smaller shirt, but that was like the whole, the whole page, you know. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. I'm gonna attempt to do this one and I'm very nervous, but I'm gonna get it set up. First I've got to print a new sheet and then we'll get it set up, and fingers crossed this comes out okay. Okay guys, so here is the finished shirt. I think it's gonna take time for me to get used to this, and like I need one of those things that you can line up everything. James helped me. We used a ruler, but I still think it's a little crooked, but it could just be me. I'm kind of a perfectionist, so I'm gonna have to like let some of it go and not be so hard on myself. But for my second attempt at making a shirt, at least like the coloring looks good and everything like that. I just don't feel like it's like perfectly straight, but that's okay. Anyway, so we got that done. Now I just need James to wrap it for me. We also got him this Lego set. He's obviously, the theme is dinosaur, so we're staying on theme here. We have a T-Rex onesie that James is gonna wear. That looks awesome. And then I'm gonna wear this Triceratops onesie. And we're gonna show up dressed like dinosaurs, which I think is really fun. Last year, our niece had a Mario themed birthday. So James dressed up as Mario and I dressed up as Yoshi, and it was, they loved it. So hopefully this is just as cool. So anyway.
I think it will be.
Yeah, hopefully it's just fun. Like, we like doing this kind of stuff. Since we don't have our own kids, and probably will never have, not probably, we will never have our own kids because we don't want kids. This is like our fun way of like being cool and fun, but not having all the responsibility. Oh my gosh, I can't. Dixie's like, what is this thing? So anyway, yeah, that's what's up. I will share with you guys when we get in our costumes, and like, I guess James is gonna get in his costume now. Of course, this is why everybody loves you, because you just do all these really goofy things. That just doesn't look right whenever you make him flat. Like, it looks better like that.
So let the demo for me.
This is what mine looks like, and then yeah, James. But yeah, so we're getting ready to go to the dinosaur party. I'm so excited. I don't know how to make this thing work. Anyway, so we're getting ready to go. I'm sure that I will get way too hot in this, but it's fine. Also, mine has like the little hands, but I'm not using them right now. James's doesn't though. he has no hands. But yeah, I think this is fun. So hopefully the kids like it. Anyway, so we're getting ready to go to the party, and I will catch up with you guys after. Obviously I'm not gonna go vlog the birthday party, but I will definitely come back on when we get home and we do some more tidying up. It won't take that long, but yeah. All right, checking with you guys later. Okay guys, we are back from the party. We got back a little bit ago, but it is currently 8:48, and I just put some chicken in the oven for dinner because there was food at the party and we had a little bit of food, but it wasn't like a dinner, you know what I mean? Which I wasn't expecting it to be. But we had a late lunch, and then we had some snacks at the party, and then when we got home we just weren't hungry yet. So we're literally just having a piece of chicken. Like, I mean, I'm having a piece and James is having a piece, but because we're just not really that hungry, but probably should eat, you know? So anyway, while I was working on that, I also loaded the dishwasher. I have a few things that are soaking, and then I'm gonna put them in there. I also have all of these spice jars, and I think that they can be put in the dishwasher. I mean, I'm pretty sure they're just glass, but I'm actually gonna look up the thing online. I know like the lids probably can't because there's probably like the plastic piece, but I definitely want to wash them before I'm putting spices in them. So if I can just do like the glass part, I'm gonna put that in the dishwasher, and then I'll just hand wash the lids and stuff, which isn't really that big of a deal. So yeah, I want to have all those done because on Monday I am finally filming the spice organization video, so get excited for that. This is what we're working with. So hopefully Monday morning this will be taken care of and it will look a lot better in there. So for right now I just have different jars. At some point I'd like to get like one of those like stands where you can actually see everything, but for right now I just want to get everything like in the same type of jar and like somewhat organized. So that's what we have going on. I actually think I'm gonna end the vlog here because it is almost 9 o'clock. We're probably gonna have dinner, watch some TV, and go to bed. And tomorrow I'm starting a new video. It's gonna be a Sunday reset because we are going to get our life together tomorrow. We're not gonna be like last week where we didn't get everything we needed to done. I need to meal plan, grocery shop, and then just tidy up the house. We need to take the trash out, do some laundry, just like basic stuff like that. So hopefully you guys will join me for that video. That'll be the next video that you guys see on this channel. But for today, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. Hope you found this video fun, and there's just like lots of fun little things in this video, so hopefully you loved it. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me, and don't forget to subscribe. But that is it for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.